severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pecos County in southwestern Texas, southeastern Crane County in western Texas, southwestern Upton County in western Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Time. At 8 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near McCamey, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include McCamey and Upton County Airport. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Time for western and southwestern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Time for western and southwestern Texas.